Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to update the Sony A7R Mark V system software or firmware update version 2.01. First, open up a browser and go to sony.com/electronics/support. Then click on cameras and camcorders. Next, digital cameras. Interchangeable lens cameras. Then E-mount body. Select ILCE7 series. Go to the top and select Downloads. Scroll down to ILCE7R M5, then select that. Here you can see the firmware version 2.01. Go ahead and select that. You could scroll down and read more about it, or you could just follow me. Scroll back to the very top and select Download. Scroll through the agreement and select Download. You could choose to sign in for download or create an account for download or download without an account. I will download without an account this time. It will take a couple of minutes, so I will speed up the video. You could see that the file body.data.dat is being downloaded. When it is done, go and find it in the download pane. And you can see here, body.data.dat. Now make sure you have enough battery, or if not, charge the battery. And make sure you have a card reader for your computer. Okay, now go and turn on your camera. You want to format the memory card. Hit Menu, go to the camera icon. Select that and go down to Media. In this group, select Format. Slot 1 card should be the one that you use for this update. Go ahead and format the card in that slot. Once formatted, turn off the camera. Remove the memory card from slot 1 and put it in the card reader. You should now see the drive that the card is in. Open up that. Drag the pane to the side a little bit. You want to drag the body.data.dat that you downloaded a moment ago into that pane. When you're done, make sure you eject the drive properly, the drive that the card is in. Then pull out or click out the memory card. Put the card back in slot 1. Turn the camera on. Hit Menu. Now you want to step away from the media group and go down to the setup icon, all the way down to the bottom. In setup, go all the way down to see setup option, all the way down the very last row. In the setup option group, you see version. You want to select that. Go into version. Here you could see software update is now selectable. You could go ahead and select it by touch screen or navigating to it. Here, you want to scroll down all the way until the word execute is selectable. You could go ahead and select execute by touch or navigating to it. When you select it, the screen will go blank for a couple of minutes, several minutes. And you will see the light flashes that the firmware update is in progress. Again, it will take a little bit, so I'm going to speed up the video. When it is done, the screen will turn on and you will see body update complete. Just select OK. If you don't know about the Creators app, you might want to look into it. Other than that, just close it. Now you can check the version, the new version number. Press Menu, select Version, and you should see the new version 2.01 on the screen. And that's done. Pretty much it. That's all I got. Thank you for watching.